Hi everybody, and welcome back here to Clothes Horse Anonymous. For those of you who don't know, my name is Skylar and I'm part of our take-in team here at Clothes Horse, and I have got some great tips and tricks for you for Consignment 101. Whether it is your first time consigning or you're a continuous consigner, I've got some great little notes for you. So when thinking about consignment and about bringing those items in, one great thing to note is make sure you bring those items in on hangers. It's going to make the whole process a lot quicker and easier for us to go through. You get in and out much faster, and it's easier for us to spot any stains, holes, or tears that might go unnoticed had the item been folded. Now I've got some examples to show you. We're going to talk about jeans here. Now jeans, we wear them all year round. They're a great basic to have in your wardrobe. With that being said, you want to make sure you check your pockets before you bring those in. We find all sorts of goodies in there all the time. So make sure you check that 5 pocket too, that small one right on there, because you never know what you're going to find in there. And also be sure, if your jeans run a little bit longer or you like them to hit the floor a bit, check your cuffs. Sometimes those can get real dirty just by dragging on the ground, so ensure that those are clean, double check those. And same is going to go for any active wear. Now with leggings, you can have a lot of pilling, whether it be around the waistband, on the leg, and your elastic might be giving out as well. So double check that. Again, the elastic on the waist or even around the ankle or maybe your calf, depending on where those are going to hit. And you can always tell when you give them a good stretch, if they make a little crinkling sound, odds are that elastic is starting to give. So that might be something you want to just go ahead and donate. Now shoes. Get questions all the time. What kind of shoes do you take? What condition? So I grabbed these. These are going to be a great example. Again, with them being white, white can get dirty so easily. So this is perfect. As you can see, free of any toe marks. You want to make sure all of your leather is intact. It's not peeling apart. Your hardware, especially if you've got any little buckles or anything like that, that's going to be intact and free of any tarnishing as well. Shoes, they do go on your feet. They're going to have some wear, but we're going to be looking for minimal. So this is a good example of minimal wear here. Again, everything is still intact. Your heel is on there as well. If you've got any heels you're going to be bringing in, make sure that you've got no nicks in there, and also test your heel caps. If they might be a little loose, it might be time to take those and get them fixed up first. And then make sure your interior is always going to be nice and clean as well. Our goal here is to sell all of your items. So when they come in looking gorgeous, we can sell them that much quicker for you. Now jewelry, that's also something we get in all the time. Make sure that your jewelry is going to be clean and polished prior. It takes us a lot of time to clean those pieces up, which delays them getting to the floor. So the cleaner they come in, the faster we get them out there for you. So silver, anything like that, just give it a nice little polish prior. And then same for blouses as well, kind of similar to that of jeans. If they've got any pockets, make sure you double check you haven't left anything in there. And underarms as well. Deodorant, staining, double check those, especially this time of year. It's super hot outside, so we want to make sure all of those garments are nice and clean. And then final is going to be handbags. So bags, of course, you use it all the time. You're going to be setting it on the counter, on the floor, maybe on a chair behind you. So you want to check those edges, those corners. Make sure that you don't have any wires or anything like that that might be poking through. Your interior, make sure you keep your caps on your pens, your lipstick, your makeup, anything of that, because that can cause some major interior staining. And we want to keep those bags as clean as possible for both our clients and our customers. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today, and remember, stay tuned for more tips and tricks here with Skylar at Clothes Horse Anonymous.